Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you the technique how to answer. We have x squared and x. So we got about 3x to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. Similar for the next one. X to the power of number 1. So we got about 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. And we put the bounds in here. This one you got about 3x to the power of 3 over 3 minus 2x to the power of 2 over 2, and we put the bounds in here. So we have number 3 we cancel, number 2 we cancel, so we got about x to the power of 3 minus x squared, and we put the bounds in here. So number 3 they go in here and here. Negative number 1 go in here and here. So we got about 3 to the power of 3 minus 3 square minus, and we have the negative number 1 to the power of 3 minus negative number 1 square. So this one you got about 27. This one you got about number 9. This one you got about negative number 1. This one you got about number 1. So negative number 1, negative number 1, you got about negative number 2. This one 27 minus 9. You will get about 18. We have the negative, you got about positive, and this is about 20. That's the end. Thank you for watching.